Everybody loves to hear that they've performed a job well done, and we are no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. And this is one of our latest customer reviews. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every client to ensure we meet their expectations. Customer satisfaction is extremely important to our company. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from new customers, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior customer service can help you. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we look forward to chatting with you soon.